Guys, my name is Tara. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Like you've seen in the title, it's the Boxycharm Premium and Base Box review. So I upgraded just this past month to the Premium. Well, I got sent both and I paid for both. So in my mind, an upgrade would be like, I currently have this and I'm gonna upgrade to this. Apparently that's not the case. It's add-on situation, but it's called an upgrade. So I'll be probably canceling the Premium unless you can do just the Premium in place of the base box. Okay, so moving right along, we got a card again this month, and it's sunshine, cute little lemons and limes. So first things first. Okay, and I've tried a couple of these, but I have a lot of palettes to try, so maybe I'll do some tutorials with them. So I got this Clean Skin Club Vitamin C Brightener Booster. This retails for $49.95, and it's pineapple, watermelon, and green tea extracts. It says it's an all-in-one serum, brightens the complexion for glowing skin, protects against UV damage, and helps reduce eventual signs of aging. So I did try this today because it's a serum. I like the packaging and I do like the serum. You could almost even use it as a base because it's a little tacky as it sits on the skin. I'm sure that subsides over time, but I did only use it once and I like it. So for $49.95, this was in the base box, like not bad. Oh yeah, this. Oh yeah, this. So this is Hourglass Scattered Light Glitter Eyeshadow. It's $29. So here's the little unicarton, and here's the shadow right here. I mean, it's cute enough, but for $29, like, you could go to like a ColourPop Super Shock. I mean, I don't know. It's pretty, but it's just not $29 pretty to me. But I got it in my Boxycharm, so that's okay. That's what this is about. Still low-key not impressed about that paying for both boxes. Okay, so I also got the Ace Beauty Bronzed in Paradise palette. This is $30. So it's a bronze palette. Oh, that's cute. Look at that. Let's look at the colors. Oh. So the mirror's cracked. So that's kind of a bummer, especially since I don't know if you watched that foundation review that I got from Boxycharm, and it was also broken. So they really need to like up their game on packaging. It's a nice little palette. So you could probably use this for like light to medium skin tones. Like they did include like a red tone probably for darker skins, but that I don't know that that'd be a decent color for all dark skin, but this could be used as like a cute little eyeshadow palette and or bronzer palette for light to medium kind of semi-dark skin. I wonder if they make, it doesn't say that this is like for any particular color, so I'm sure they just made one and try to make it as like inclusive as they can. I don't see the point. Just do a couple of them. You know, if you're gonna go for it, go for it. So, oh yeah, so this is kind of weird. I did try this out. So this is Cream Shop Clean Canvas Color Correcting Cushion Primer. So here's like the unicarton. Kind of cool packaging, almost like those like cream back in the day, or cream foundation. So you flip it up, has a little puff, and then you open the door and it's like a little cushion. I don't know. It says that it makes your makeup last up to 12 hours longer, or how did they word that? Color corrects redness, which I do have redness. I don't know if I noticed a whole big difference putting it on. I don't know. I honestly think it kind of turned my foundation a little bit orange. And then 12 plus hours makeup elongation. Luscious liquid formula. I don't know. It was kind of weird. I just kind of looked green and chalky for a little bit. So the last thing from this box is Nudestix Rock and Roller. This is $26. $26 for this little like flimsy plastic like rolling liner, which I think has been done before and like nobody likes because it's just not realistic. I don't know. Honestly, this is a pretty disappointing box. I do like the vitamin C brightening booster, but I don't really see myself using anything else in this box. Maybe that bronze palette, but I don't even know if it'll work for my, I don't know. I just don't know. I'll test it out when I do one of the eyeshadow palettes from the other box. So the total of this box is $154.95. What I'm gonna do with all this shit. Okay, so same sunshine, same whatever. So this is the premium box. So the first thing on the list is the Morphe and Manny Glam palette, $20. So this is the palette here. I looked at it before already. Pretty cute, and it has two highlighters. Would have been kind of cool to do like, I don't know, a highlighter and a bronzer. You got like Sophie and Boy Next Door that are an awful lot alike. I don't know. There could be a little bit more variations, but I do like the colors. Like it's a cute little moment. I don't know if it's Morphe. Like I really like, this is Fire Witch right here. And Zaya or Zaya. I don't know. It's pretty cute. Like I'm cool with getting it in this month's box, but I don't know that I would have purchased it. Obviously I didn't purchase it when it came out. That doesn't mean nothing, like I got money to purchase everything. So the second thing that I got, I have not tried. This is the Saturday Skin Pore Clarifying Toner for 30 bucks. I like everything that I've tried so far from Saturday Skin. I like their packaging. I'm pretty stuck on my one Ren toner for the most part, but I mean, I'll use it because I got it. Super cute packaging. I don't know, it speaks to me. Don't know how it works. And did I say that that was $30? I think I did. I think I did. Okay. So the next thing we got is this Foley Fire Matte Manipulation Trio. I have one of the colors on my lips. It feels nice lipstick, not too dry, and it comes in this cute little package. And the colors are, so we have Full House, Sunset Boulevard, which is what I have on, and then Here to Slay. That's pretty. Here to Slay. I like that color. I'm not really into like these like maroon lipsticks, to be honest. It's like, give me a red, nude, pink. Just colorful lips just don't, not colorful, maroon, like dark, that like gothy look doesn't, I just don't like it on myself. I love it on other people though. I just don't think I can pull it off. So that is $40. I've never heard of this company, and I mean, it's a decent lipstick, but I'd never in my life paid $40 for it. So the next thing is this Beverly Hills Argan Oil Moisturizing. This is too fucking long. Nelson Beverly Hills Argan Oil 7 Moisture Healing Mask. 100% argan oil derived moisturizing hair treatment for color treated dry damaged hair. This is $24. I don't know how well it works. I tried it once. Smells like summer, smells like heaven. Like that coconut smell. I really, really, really like that smell. So I'll continue using this. I don't know, $24 seems kind of on par for like mid-ranged hair products. So it doesn't really offend me at that price, because apparently I get offended. Okay, so the next thing I got was this Brow Bar by Rima Hollywood Icon Face Kit, and this is $45. Here's the little unicarton. There's no way I could like figure out a try on. Just wasn't gonna work. So it's called Drama Queen. There's the cover. Packaging's cute. Oh, and it comes with a little brush. This little mini brush. Oh, I like this. This is cute. See, this I could travel with because I'm pretty basic for the most part, like all day long. There you go. Couple shimmers, a couple crease colors, a nice white. Like this is just like I could, a couple highlights and then, and or whatever. I don't know. I like it. It's cute. Ooh, I've been needing like a good peach color. Couple of the colors right there. The other one you can't really see. Fair enough. I suck at swatching anyways, sorry. Oh, let me put the little brush back in. Ooh, a little tricky to open. Okay, so last but not least, this is the Kukio Natural Milk and Honey Cuticle Revitalizing Oil, and this is $18. This is a big old like jug of cuticle oil, like 18 bucks, probably last you a year. Probably last me the rest of my life because I just, although my cuticles are trash, I'm not good about like putting them on. Smells like a hint of summer and nail salon. I don't know, maybe I'll test it out for a little bit. No guarantees. I wash my hands too much that it just doesn't really work out. So I'm happy with this box right here. And again, I would have just been happy to get this box, not pay for that box. Yeah, the total of this box is $176. It does seem like the amount, the price amount is kind of gotten smaller throughout the time they've been doing this, because it used to be like $350, $420, but whatever, still some fun products. I'm excited for the palettes. The hair stuff is really nice. And then the Saturday skin. So I'm okay with that, but the base box was a bust for me. Just even with that serum, I'm gonna use it, but it's not like I'm gonna be like, oh my god, look at this cool box. Like I wouldn't recommend it if that was like the first box I've ever gotten from them. Anyhow, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Leave any comments down below. Tell me how you like your boxes. Have a good day. Bye. Bye.